Chapter 7. The Noun Gender. What in nature is called the difference of sex is in grammar called the difference of gender. Boy, girl. Lion, lioness. Hero, heroine. Boyfriend, girlfriend. The first word in each pair denotes the name of a male, and the second word of each pair denotes the name of a female. A noun that denotes a male is said to be of the masculine gender. Boy, lion, hero, boyfriend, etc. A noun that denotes a female is said to be of the feminine gender. Girl, lioness, heroine, girlfriend, etc. A noun that denotes either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. Parent, child, baby, infant, friend, people, servant, thief, enemy, cousin, orphan, student, doctor, teacher, police, neighbor, etc. A noun that denotes things without life is said to be of the neuter gender. Book, pen, chair, table, room, gold, silver, iron, knife, shirt, coat, etc. Though tree is not lifeless, yet it is neuter gender in English. Therefore, there are 4 kinds of gender. 1. Nouns denoting male, masculine. 2. Nouns denoting female, feminine. 3. Nouns denoting either sex, common. 4. Nouns denoting things without life, neuter. Rules of changing gender. Generally, there are 4 rules for changing masculine gender of nouns into feminine gender. 1. By using different words. Here we have list of masculine words and their feminine words. Father, mother. Father, the feminine word for father is mother. Brother, sister. Boy, girl. Uncle, aunt. Nephew, niece. Husband, wife. Men, women. Male, female. King, queen. Cock, hen. Son, daughter. Sir, madam. Bull or ox, cow. Horse, mare. 2. By adding ess. Masculine is add ess, makes it feminine. Author, authoress. Host, hostess. Lion, lioness. Poet, poetess. Priest, priestess. Steward, stewardess. Note the changes in spelling in some cases by dropping the vowel before ess. Masculine, actor, dropping the vowel o before r, makes feminine, actress. Governor, governess. God, goddess. Instructor, instructress. Master, mistress. Prince, princess. Tiger, tigress. By changing the masculine word of a compound word. The masculine word is boyfriend. Changing the masculine word boy to girl makes feminine word girlfriend. He goat, she goat. He bear, she bear. Grandfather, grandmother. Great uncle, great aunt. Step brother, step sister. Sometimes feminine forms are made by adding a, ine, ix, etc. Like the masculine word hero is made feminine heroine by adding ine. Sultan is made feminine by adding a, sultana. Administrator, administratrix. Prosecutor, prosecutrix. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.